Here comes the first cross of the game, and Tejas had to clear.
Tejas.
Marcus Joseph, low, lovely ball. And Fayaz has turned it in. And Mohamodin Sporting have a breakthrough.
All too easy for Mohamodin Sporting. And there were warning signs. We've seen a couple of crosses come in earlier on from the left, from the right this time. Marcus Joseph just putting it on a platter.
Right for Basit, sent in towards Ajsal. First proper. Getting past Gopi. Basit sends it in, and then Gaurav. What a big chance. There's the through ball. This could be a chance. Roshan Gigi past the keeper. Keeper's just getting back into position, looking for Ayman. But Rahman was solid.
Well, could he have played that ball a second or two?
Vibin measures this, and now Ayman on the turn, wanted that onto his right foot and still takes the shot. Straight to Zothan Moya. Kerala Blasters, impressive.
Start fast, quick. They didn't do that in the first 15 odd minutes of that first half. They have to start putting pressure.
Marcus Joseph back towards Malik. Wonderful weight on that ball. Sachin Suresh was standing in the right place. There's the nutmeg. Something's gone flying away. Play keeps going, but the floated delivery once again to the keeper. And the win from Rahman. What a great place to win the ball back. And a good delivery as well. Once again, the keeper very alert. Doda. Marcus Joseph. Fayaz. And Doda. Fayaz. Lovely through ball. And now Doda past the keeper. And past the defender as well. And Doda with a debut goal for Mohamodin Sporting. And they really, really needed that.
What a debut for the club. And that's why they brought
Doda. Ambekar with an interesting run. And Ambekar with a chance now. Oh, he set it up, but the flag is up.
Well, again, super work from Mohamodin Sporting. That's going to be so close.
And now the chance for a hit. Straight to Zothan Moya, still alive. And then somehow it's been put out.
But great work from Kerala Blasters.
Ambekar, can he pick out a player this time? Much better ball. What a finish. Perfect Bill Mohamodin Sporting.
Too easy. Again.
So Kerala Blasters' journey in the Indian Oil Duron Cup comes to an end.